मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया पूरे ट्रिप में एंड विद ऑल अंकल आंटीज किड्स एंड भैया भाभीज एंड एवरीबडी एंड आई वांट टू थैंक जेम्स एंड मिस्टर कौर for making it wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I'm learning a lot from James and going back. And probably I'm going to follow that also. And I would want to come again. I'm going to miss everybody. And actually I've started missing from right now. And don't feel like going back. So it's become a family.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that is the feeling that I'm getting right now. And would love to join in another trip with everybody along with James and Mr. Kaur again.
Thank you. We'll definitely should meet.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Mr. Madan ji. So anything you feel like, मतलब not necessary अच्छा ही हो.
Okay. I think first of all a big thank you because today I feel as if a big dream has been realized.
Wonderful.
In fact, when we embarked on this journey, that dream became more like a goal, and today feeling very contented, happy that goal has been achieved.
Thank you, sir.
And we had always known this place to be very beautiful, pristine, charming. But the way you managed the entire thing, I think it made it even more beautiful. The experience was great.
Thank you.
And the highlight, or shall I say learning, for me has been that how a diverse group with a compelling purpose and discipline that you and Kaur have put, can become a team. And being a team, we can achieve everything. So rather I would say that, I'm a business graduate, but these kind of things can become a case study, that how you can put diverse people together and coordinate things effectively and achieve whatever you want to achieve. So great learning and a wonderful experience. I think a lot has already been said about you, James, but personally what I feel is I've seen you going beyond the call of duty.
Thank you.
So, back home we have majority of the people not even doing their duty. And I know, largely it takes a lot of motivation, which could be self-motivation, to go beyond the call of duty. So really appreciate that, acknowledge it. And, a couplet.
Yes, definitely.
Mind, yeah. So, परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी ज़रूर, ये फैले हुए उनके पंख बोलते हैं, जो लोग रहते हैं अक्सर खामोश, आप इतने खामोश नहीं रहते, बट जो लोग रहते हैं अक्सर खामोश, ज़माने में उनके हुनर बोलते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
हाँ, अच्छा, one more. तो जो याद आ रहा है वो सुना देता हूँ कि सितारों के आगे जहाँ और भी है, तो काम बहुत आपने अच्छा करा है, बट सितारों के आगे जहाँ और भी है, और अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी हैं. So keep up the good work.
Thank you.